What is that? What is that?
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Oh my God.
this ain't the usual
Fuck,
fucking
look at IS, dude. That
Oh
shit's
my
crazy.
God.
Oh, that's the one we've seen at the track.
What's good, guys? I don't know if you can see the fucking freeway, but hey, Leo, where are we going?
The Super Street.
Yeah, guys, we're going to a Super Street meet. I'm gonna try and get some footage. It should be pretty sick. We're literally getting on the exit right now, so it should be dope. It's a Super Street meet. Like, there should be some crazy cars. I'm gonna see if I can get my cinematic shit on. So, fuck, I actually went on the wrong exit, guys, so.
God damn it. Okay. Fuck.
This dude in the Mustang flag is gonna get pulled over.
Oh, I see a lot of cars already. Yep, it's right there. Bro, all those cars are turning at you.
Turn into it too.
Sounds of the revvings of the engines and the
Oh,
S2K
shit.
and the fucking.
Oh, fuck. We should have parked in here.
What is? There's more over there, huh? What is that? What is that?
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Oh my God.
this ain't the usual
Fuck,
fucking.
look at IS, dude. That
Oh
shit's
my
crazy.
Oh, that's the one we've seen at the track.
Yeah.
Remember when I went to the track and that shit was there?
Fuck.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
Ooh, I heard something. Ooh.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
What's up, man? Hey, what's up, bro?
I said street Jackson. I'm missing on your videos like all the time.
Oh,
man.
for real?
Yeah, every day. Carlos, bro, I remember you guys did.
Purchase your tracks today.
Damn. It's crazy out here. So what's up, man? What's your channel?
What's up, man? Street Junction. Check me out.
Make sure to go
Love the biz,
subscribe.
man. Check me out, man. Just want to say shout out to Andy and David for doing this shit, bro. What's up?
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, so introduce yourself, shout out.
Isaiah, Street Junction.
Agent Huber from Joe Garage. Alright guys, so I might be making a few videos with these guys. We might have some stuff coming, so shout out to them. I'll have their links in the description, so nice meeting you guys. Alright,
Subscribe.
yeah. Anything else you guys want to say?
Fucking spread positivity at fucking Baddies Only. I don't know if you guys watch it, but Baddies Only.
I'll put the link.
Keep doing what you're doing, Andy. I just want to say shout out to the fans.
Your dick looks like an onion.
Subscribe.
Hey man, I don't know what's going on, but everyone's running. That's like some shit from Fast and the Furious, bro.
I don't know what's all the commotion.
Damn.
What happened?
I don't know,
I
bro.
didn't stop running. Making my legs hurt. What? Where we running?
You heard
to,
that?
Andy? Andy, where we running
Oh,
to?
bro, it feels like Fast and the Furious out here.
I know, right?
Fucking run.
Let's go.
Why did we?